A child's first 8 years dictate their lifelong cognitive capabilities, social behavior, and health. The brain makes millions of new neural connections every single day. Historically, early education often conflicted with this natural growth. Systems prioritized stressful rote memorization, requiring children to repeat facts rather than explore their physical environment. To address this, India's National Education Policy 2020, or NEP 2020, mandates a shift to flexible, play-based learning during the foundational stage. This period, known as Balvatika, covers children ages 3 to 6. While the policy sets the goal, the actual transition requires a physical blueprint to guide how teachers interact with students in the classroom. The National Council of Educational Research and Training answered that need with a comprehensive learning kit called the Jadui Pitaara, or Magic Box. The 70-page user manual is the engine driving this educational shift, providing the specific rules and methodologies for using the kit. This manual acts as a definitive index, cataloging 53 specific learning and teaching materials, or LTMs. This document translates abstract policy into tangible, step-by-step actions for both educators and parents to implement. The manual's introduction establishes a core directive. Young children learn best through first-hand physical manipulation of concrete objects. The first section of the index focuses on cultural and motor skill tools, beginning with traditional musical instruments like the damru, flute, and tambourine. These traditional items require precise physical actions to produce sound, helping a child develop rhythm, auditory skills, and hand-eye coordination. Item 8 is the latu, or spinning top. By supporting artisans and teaching balance and momentum, it introduces foundational physics through play. These items represent a deliberate strategy to anchor early education in familiar, indigenous cultural experiences. Moving further into the manual, the focus shifts from cultural rhythm to analytical play. Take item 14, the colorful graded rings. Stacking these wooden pieces allows a child to grasp the concepts of seriation, the ability to arrange items in a logical order, and size relationships through physical touch. The manual lists other cognitive tools: the feely bag for texture, wooden building blocks, and self-correcting jigsaw puzzles. These materials encourage flexible thinking, allowing children to experiment and solve problems without the anxiety of a formal test. By engaging with these physical materials, students construct the analytical neural pathways demanded by the NEP 2020. The final physical section of the index covers literacy tools, such as the Barker Reading Series and the On-End Activity Workbook. Alongside these traditional resources, the manual issues its strictest pedagogical warning. The text lays down a golden rule: do not give worksheets without giving children the experience of play with LTM and other materials from nature. This directive ensures that joyful, concrete experience anchors abstract academic concepts before a child ever begins a pen and paper assignment. At the very end of the manual's index is item 53, the final and most modern tool in the box. Item 53 is a pen drive. It contains digitized versions of all learning materials and the UnMOOC training handbook for teachers. This drive connects the physical curriculum to the Diksha portal, a national digital infrastructure for teachers and students across India. This digital backup ensures the pedagogical blueprint can scale across the entire country, regardless of a local school's physical resources. The Jadui Pitaara manual serves as the instruction code for a standardized classroom environment. It provides educators with the physical tools and a precise methodology needed to prioritize a child's natural curiosity. By following this blueprint, the system ensures future generations build their foundations through the power of joyful, concrete play.